Oh, you needed a minute.
I did it right here.
Oh, okay.
I want that.
What do you want? We've been waiting for her to order. You know what you want? I want a big burger. Big burger. Okay guys, we are still here at Barnes, so Alyssa can finish her work to catch up on after all of the chaos we've been going through. I am in pain, I'm tired, and yeah, I like literally just went in the bathroom and put my hands under the hot water for like 5 minutes until someone came in because my hands are achy, everything's achy. I don't really have a bathtub I could just go soak in, or even hot water that I could do that in, so it was really nice. So she has like one more page of work to do before she's completed, and she's gonna go with me back to the camper and finish her essay. But look at this, thank God I found a little bit of joy for me to enjoy while I'm waiting. So I'm gonna totally get into this, and I know this, I probably have this one coming if it's not already on the way, because I get the BHNG and I love it. So I'm gonna dig in on this and just kind of fill my mind with some Christmas joy. So I'll be back. Okay guys, another morning here in the trailer, and it is getting a little tight. The hardest part is laying in a bed that you cannot sit up in. Literally, there's no room for comfort here. Thank God I have my truck, because it's the closest thing I'm gonna have to a recliner for quite some time. We have been inspected a few times for the house, and as of right now, both bathrooms are being demoed and all the floors are coming up and being redone. The full house needs to be remediated and under the crawl space. So we're looking at quite a long time here without like real living spaces. So
Is that a sister?
Her aunt. Yeah. Oh my gosh, Lou. What do you think?
So long.
Yeah? Thank you.
I love it. FaceTime Liberty.
Hold on.
So then
Oh my gosh, Liz.
together too.
It's crazy because I'm so used to with your color hair. You literally look like you could go to a club right now. Anybody who knows me knows this right here brings me so much joy. Yes, yes. Okay, so I came here, and number one, we realized as soon as I was getting out of the truck that I didn't have my wheelchair on me. So we left it in my husband's car. So this kind of sucks, because then I was like, okay. But then I was like, oh, I'll just use the power carts. And right now my immune system is having a very hard time today. Look at all these supplies. And so then we come inside and their power carts are not even, they're both out of order. So I was like, you've got to be kidding me. Nope, they're out of order, so just got to use my legs. Guys, I'm in the coop and a good amount of eggs today. Okay, so I have to go inside really fast. This is going. So crazy. We're home. Okay guys, we are here back at the theater to see Addams Family. I fell asleep last time and really nothing else to do at home on the trailer, so we're here. There's a fire at a refinery where my husband's work, so they called off for part of his shift. He still may have to go in a little bit, but at least we're gonna get a little bit of family time in. So look who's here. There was an explosion by his work at a refinery, so he's off. And we went to go see Addams Family because I fell asleep the first time and slept through it. No, not right now. And can we go to the crosswalk? So yeah, so we're over here and we're gonna go to the Halloween store. And I use the crosswalk. Hello, Army. We hope that you feel better. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Okay, good morning guys. So I am having a very rough start today. I am having quite a lot of pain. I've been throwing up. Pain has been pretty bad. And my kidneys and everything are just not really liking me. I tried to take like a cranberry pill to see if that would help. Yeah, so I have been laying down, and every time I get up, pretty much, there's no getting up right now. So I'm supposed to get up and go do some blood work and pick up some meds and something else too, or drop some paperwork off. There's like 3 things I'm supposed to do over at my doctor's office, and I need to do that before I pick my daughter up. So eventually I'm going to have to suck it up and get up and just make the best of it. But I thought I would let you guys know what some of the days look like here when I just can't get up. This is what the mornings look like, guys. Everybody mooing. Whatever sound you call a goat making. We got the horses over there by the water troughs. Bella, hey! Be nice. You're such a bully lately. Good morning. So, I am coming out to feed everyone. Oh, where's the baby? He's laying by himself. So he's gonna get moved sometime in the next day or so. It is time for him to leave Miss Ellie Mae alone. I have a cold, if you could hear, and on top of that, I've just been extremely sick and in a ton of pain, and I have a fundraiser today. So don't ask me what I was thinking, but there's just something about not quitting and giving up that really does it for me. And so I felt like today is just another example of that. Like, I'm not going to give up or give in to what's going on with me health-wise. I need to keep my commitments and raise this money for treatment. So I'm gonna get out here and do my morning chores and get my beauties fed. And then later today we're gonna separate this calf because Mrs. Ellie Mae is being sucked dry. Between Bella stealing all the food because she's pregnant and the calf nursing on her, she's just losing too much weight, and it's time to take the calf off and we're gonna go ahead and separate the pin. So I'm gonna make their pin into 2 pins so that way Ellie Mae can have her own rations of food. Okay, I think this can get the most of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and start feeding, and welcome to our morning chores. I put it in 2 containers. Well, I use 1 scoop to fill the other, then bring another scoop over. That for me is easier weight-wise. Hi guys! Welcome to my vintage farm. We're here at our pumpkin painting fundraiser and I'm going to show you guys all of the cuteness that is going on. Look at this, guys. Yes. There is some real fun happening here. I love the color variations there. Got a little tie-dye look going on. Gabe over here really pulling out. Gabe, say hi! You want to say hi? We've got our volunteer last time from when Fellowship came out for Serve Day. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is like multi-face right here. So cute. I've got paper towels right there. It's okay. We'll get some. So guys, we've got a few animals for you guys to meet today. Our rabbits, well, a couple of them. There's Snow and Buttercup up top. And we've got Frankie the rooster. And we decorated really cute. I think it's cute. And pumpkins, lots and lots of pumpkins. You guys want to say bye? Bye. Say see you soon. Look who's here! The bling bling cow has arrived to the farm. What do you guys think of the cow? Huh? I know. You're just painting the whole thing now. I love it. Got some hair going on. Oh, I love it. You're doing multiple faces.
Hi guys. Hello, hello. Okay guys, so I'm just sitting here in the stand and I wanted to like thank everybody who came out today and who's been praying for me. I've been passing kidney stones, so that's what's been wrong, and I have an infection that is going on in my stomach. So I literally wanted to like quit and not do the fundraiser because I didn't know how I was gonna do it. My husband went, it was so great. Took me to go get all the supplies for the event. Letty came through today and helped me to get everything together, and then we had a really good turnout. But I wanted you guys to know, like, if you still wanted to get pumpkins, there are so many. I'm gonna turn it around. So we still have a ton of pumpkins here, guys. And this one's mine. Isn't that cute? It's like a little Pac-Man. And then this, I have a customer who comes and buys eggs all the time. And he literally came and painted a pumpkin. That was so cool. He's gonna pick it up later on once it dries. But there's still a ton of pumpkins left. So come on out and choose a pumpkin. Hold on, let's see, let's show you. Drop your donation in the drop box there. And yeah, take a pumpkin. And I have 16 days now till my treatment. I'm so excited and afraid. Not really afraid, but just kind of like, oh my gosh. At the same time, more so like I need to get myself better so that I can get my treatment. So yeah, in like 2 weeks time I will be out of here and having my stem cell transplant, which is amazing. And you guys can come and get pumpkins and paint them here. I'll be here for like another week and a half, almost 2 weeks. So if you guys want to just like come over and bring a couple kids, I can set up a little table inside the stand and they can choose a pumpkin and paint it. Or you guys can grab a pumpkin, carve it, bake a pie with it, whatever. But there's all these pumpkins here, and yeah, they're ready for homes. But we had such a good turnout today. I'm gonna go grab something to eat right now. I have not eaten yet today, so yeah, that was it. I just wanted to tell you guys thank you and invite you to come out and get some pumpkins. And thanks for praying. I'm pretty sure, like, at least hopefully, I don't know, I've been taking my meds and stuff, so I'm hoping that the last of the stones has passed and I'm on the clear. I'm not crouched over walking like this or breathing like I'm in labor anymore, so we're doing good. But here it is. Here's the stand and the pumpkins. Bertha, my truck. And let me show you guys the little fence I did real quick. So we needed to set something up here by the stand so it was easy to like choose the pumpkin. So those were over on the opposite side of the driveway, but we just blocked off the mound with them right now. So I thought that looked pretty cute. It's festive. And I always like how people decorate it with cobwebs, being that like right now the cobwebs are always hecka thick around the farm. Like there's just so many of them. But okay guys, I am headed out. But thanks again for praying. I am so grateful for you guys. I'm so grateful for all my friends who just came by today, and the new friends that I made. And just, I had a great time, and I can't wait to have more of these when I'm feeling better and not have to have them be fundraisers, just have them be events on the farm. Things are getting better, and I'm excited. And I only have 16 days until I have my first treatment. One of 4 days of treatment. It's gonna be really awesome. So, and the treatment's at a clinic, it's not at a hospital. So you go, you get infusions and injections. And so the treatment's different each day. And the stem cells are different for each treatment. So certain stem cells work for different parts of the body. We're targeting my immune system, my central nervous system, some of my organs, joints for like my spine, my hips, stuff like that. So when I'm there, I will be doing footage. I don't know if I'll be able to go live, but when I'm getting the treatment done, I will be giving updates in the evening after the treatments are done, and so that'll be pretty cool. I know I'll be able to take some pictures. I'm not sure about video footage though, so, but it'll be 4 days with 6 to 8 hours of treatment a day, so pretty cool. But hello, husband. I love you. I just got your message while I was on my live, so I'll text you back in a minute. You're here for the cobwebs? Yes! Aren't they awesome? I did a great job on those cobwebs. I'm very proud of myself. I duct taped some of them. I tied some of them. It's very creative on how to put this together. Let me just show you those cobwebs real quick. Yeah, look at that. That's some fancy cobwebbing. I cannot wait to feel better. Like, I already feel better than I did this past week. But like, I can't wait to see what happens after I have my stem cell transplant, and just to see like the level that I'm gonna be at. Like, I'm just saying, hello, Miss Picasso. Girl, I gotta get you some pumpkins. You guys can paint them while you're stuck in the house. I've got so many. But yeah, like, God's gonna do amazing things. I only have 16 days and I am ready. I'm ready, I'm gearing up. So yeah. Time to feed the belly. So I'm keeping this away from you guys, but I can drop off some food or something. Tamara, if you guys get hungry, I'll do a doorbell ditch, leave that stuff on the door, and then take off. 16 days, girl, I know. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of afraid. I'm only afraid, and I don't even know. It's kind of funny. I just got afraid like yesterday, but today I'm already like feeling a renewed like an excitement. So I think the fear is of just like being so excited and not knowing. Like, I don't know. That's about it. I don't know. Either way, today's a better day, and I had tons of help here today, and it was so encouraging, and we raised a really good amount of money. So that's also super encouraging too. And we're 16 days away, so each day I'm just gonna keep getting closer to knocking things off the list that have to be done. But the house, we're gonna find out on Monday when demo starts. They came in and tested for asbestos last week on Thursday, and so by Monday we should know when they're gonna start. We have to move everything out of the house. We have to literally move out. This is crazy. So the good thing is that, like, let's say at least 85% of our stuff is getting thrown away. Some of the solid surface things can be remediated, so we're gonna try to keep like my grandma's hutch and a kitchen table, you know, things like that that we can surface clean. We could have it clean and then give it to family members who want it, who are healthier than me, that can handle it. Right? Girl, I'm telling you, I'm not gonna have any dishes. Laundry, like, I went to Walmart yesterday, I got some leggings and t-shirts. I'm telling you, $5 and like $7 leggings and like these $4 t-shirts, and then I got this like out of the men's section for like, because I was cold. So I'm doing it. All my clothes, I had 3 outfits to last me the last 3 weeks. Hello, Darcy. And I've literally just been like washing them and like wearing the same 3 outfits for like 3 weeks. And so yesterday I got like 2 pairs of leggings and this flannel and a couple of like long sleeve t-shirts. So I'm definitely excited to have like more clothes to interchange between. Days, guys, 16. 2 weeks, 2 days, which means that in less than 2 weeks I will be out of here. And I don't know, man, I might be like so healthy, I'm gonna start packing on the pounds. You're gonna see like thunder thighs and like freaking healthy gut. I'm just saying, that's what's gonna happen. I'm about to be like sporting a whole new bit of healthy weight, hopefully. Like, I cannot wait for the weight. Stop, right? Girl, I can't wait. I'm like, boom! I gotta get off here, guys. I'm hungry. I'm gonna start making jokes about myself. I cannot be happier to be a thick woman again. I'm saying, I wanna put it all on. I want it back. I love you guys. I'm telling you, I'm gonna bring sexy back one thunder thigh at a time. I gotta go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this past week, watching the homecoming and our outings and everything that we've done to make this time in this tiny camper trailer a little bit better. It shows you some of our life here on the farm, going through the remediation process and gearing up for stem cell transplant and the healing journey that I'm on. So I really appreciate all you guys, and thank you for being a part of our farm family. Have a wonderful day. God bless.